Hey friends, I wanted to share my key tips for getting that perfect stencil. First, you want to make sure the sides of your cake are super straight so the stencil lays completely flat. That is one of the most important. Next, you want to use either tape or pins to hold your stencil in place because it's a lot easier than trying to hold your stencil and add buttercream at the same time. Next, you want to make sure you're really scraping as much extra buttercream off as you possibly can. The thinner, the better. Next part is completely optional. I'm dusting a little bit of edible glitter onto my cake in up-down motions and in circles as well. If your cake gets a little bit too warm at this part and you're pulling off buttercream, feel free to stick it into the fridge for a few more minutes and then continue. Last but not least, we peel it off to reveal a gorgeous stencil.